You're watching Code 3 Rewind. Real footage, no filters. Was this justified? Drop your take in the comments. And help me hit 1,000 subs. Subscribe now and say I'm in below.
David Rodriguez. David Rodriguez. We need you to come out the front door. Walk out the front door. Keep your hands where we can see them. We need to talk to you. I repeat, this is the Riverside County Sheriff's Office. David Rodriguez. Step out the front door slowly with your hands where we can see them.
I hear something on the side.
So what?
I hear a slam up top window.
We got something else. Get out, get out. Where's he at? Top window, top window. 164 shots fired. Anybody hit it?
Good.
We're good over here. We're good.
No visual.
See him up there.
Which window?
Which window? Same one.
I don't see anything.
We have visual? Thank
No
you.
visual.
Where's he shooting from?
I don't know. I think inside.
Watch your side, dude.
Watch the right side.
David, come out with your hands up.
Okay, I'm reloading. I'm reloading.
Where is he
I
shooting
don't know.
from?
I think he's inside.
I can't see. Just make sure you guys have cover.
I hear front door.
Come out! Quickly, please! Hey, we gotta push up to it!